Our role here is to defend the vulnerable. So, vowsy is not a private matter. Okay? Hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin, pag-usapan nyo muna sa bahay, nabubugbog na, di ba? Meron ng economic abuse, psychological abuse. Hindi pwede ganon. Hindi nyo pwede din sabihin na sa barangay muna yan, ma'am. Kasi police dapat kukulong na or what. Okay? It is now a public crime. So, it concerns the entire nation. It is not a private dispute between spouses. So can a woman be an offender? Exceptions to the male offender norm. Is the offender a female? Yes. Supreme Court rules any person covers same-sex relationship. Is the offender female? Pwede ding, pag yes, merong conspiracy. They're conspiring with a male offender. For example, in-laws aiding an abusive husband. This is the case of Garcia versus De Leon and Gotan versus spouses.